Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with ESD control and ventilation. This matters because static or fumes destroy components and your health. Once grounded, set the hot air station to 300–350 degrees C and let the nozzle stabilize. Make sure to preheat the board for 30–60 seconds to reduce thermal shock. You want a gradual ramp. Next, hold the nozzle 5–10 mm above the target and shield nearby parts with Kapton tape or solder wick. This prevents accidental lift of adjacent components while you proceed. You now focus the nozzle size to match the component. Using an 8–12 mm nozzle keeps airflow controlled. Keep the tip 5–10 mm away and move in a slow circular pattern so heat distributes evenly under all pads. Once the solder becomes shiny and fluid, pause briefly to confirm all joints are molten. Then use fine-tip tweezers to lift straight up, steady pressure, no twisting, because lateral forces can rip pads. If resistance remains, apply heat a few more seconds and try again. You finish by cleaning pads with braid or flux to remove blobs and ensure wettable surfaces. Clean pads solder-free, then apply a light layer of flux. Next, align the replacement IC precisely, tack one corner if needed so it won't shift, and add a small amount of solder paste or touch-up solder. Reflow at the component's recommended temperature profile, watch for even wetting, then let the board cool slowly on the bench. If solder bridges or cold joints appear, use solder wick or add flux and reflow carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.